This is a very crucial update rather that we are getting with regards to the Supreme Court now has rejected a petition filed by an unidentified family member of the Indian national Nikhil Gupta, who was accused in a US court of plotting an assassination attempt in New York, to grant Gupta consular access and legal aid to challenge his indictment and extradition. The Supreme Court turned down the plea, noting that he has already been granted consular access, and the Supreme Court has refused to intervene in the plea to rescue him from the Czech prison, and all we could do was order consular access, but he has got that, is what the Supreme Court has said. Matter pertains to the international law and we have to respect jurisdiction of the courts in foreign countries. Again, another quote that's coming from the Supreme Court on this matter. Currently, we will cut across to our legal reporter Ananya Bhatnagar, who's joining us on this broadcast to set context for what's been, for the big update that's come in. Ananya, if you could take us through what exactly has the SC's order been with regards to Nikhil Gupta getting consular services and consular access, that is, and why exactly was it denied to him?
Well, definitely the Supreme Court was dealing with a petition filed by an unidentified family member of Nikhil Gupta, wherein not only consular access was actually demanded from the Supreme Court, but also it was demanded that he should be released from the Czech Republic prison. However, the Supreme Court said that the matter is too sensitive in nature, not only for the Supreme Court but also for the government, and being the first court of this country, the Supreme Court has to respect the jurisdiction of other courts of other countries, and that's exactly why the Supreme Court refused to interfere with this particular matter, clearly noting that the maximum it could have done is to grant a consular access to Nikhil Gupta. However, same has already been granted with regards to the prayer for releasing him from the Czech Republic prison. It was said that he can approach the government, but it is also a too sensitive matter for the government to handle, and it could have international ramifications, and the government, it cannot issue any kind of a direction to the government per se when it comes to releasing Nikhil Gupta from the Czech Republic prison. So definitely no relief coming in, and as far as the Supreme Court is concerned, however, what we've been told is that he has been granted consular access yesterday itself. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out and whether or not Nikhil Gupta is released from prison of the Czech Republic.
Right, Ananya. Ananya, thank you for bringing us all those details. And